See, even running it with a cleaner, it is disgusting. It is gross. There's still some bubbles. There's something down in there. There's some stuff over there. There's some stuff in the back. It's hard to see. But I'm going to, and down in here, these corners. Ew, that is so gross. Like, look down in there. There's a lot of bubbles, but look how gross that gets. But we don't see that from here, so we don't realize how disgusting that is. And then even in the, I don't use that one, but it's got stuff in it. And this is all gross, so it's going to take a really good clean. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down, and then I'll probably run another cycle through it and give it another wipe down, just because it has been so long since I've cleaned it and needs it so badly. I have 45 minutes till I need to go to work. Let's see how quick I can get this done. It is Saturday morning. I am making a cup of tea. I have French toast sticks going in the oven. The kids are playing, and I am going to get a quick cleanup done in this kitchen, and then I am going to get the rest of the deep cleaning done on the dishwasher. I started it the other day, got 90% of it done, but I need to finish that and just get this kitchen organized so I can start doing some of my baking stuff that I do for friends for the fall season into the holidays. It is Monday morning. I had planned on getting vlogs edited and up to you over the weekend, but we have all been really, really sick. So much so that I slept 90% of the day yesterday. I'm going to try to go into work today. I don't know if I'm going to make it the whole day, but at least I'm going to put in the effort. And, yeah, I didn't get much else done this weekend, so I'll have to catch up with everything later today. The kids are back at school today. They're getting better. They've still got a little bit of a cough, but it's not too bad. They've got no fever. Me, though, I've been running a bit of a fever, so I'm trying to see how that goes. But like I said, if I get really bad, I'm just going to leave work early, but I'm going to at least try to go in and make the effort because I need to at least try.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind.
And then I get like I need a strawberry. I need that strawberry. 4. What did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. I get a strawberry.
Woohoo! Good job.
4.
You having fun? Uh-oh. Sounds like you need to blow your nose.
We played the dice game.
I know. You played Yahtzee and then Candyland, and now we're playing the Caterpillar.
I got this one for my birthday.
Uh-huh.
6.
If you can be good. Remember, the elf is coming in, like, 2 months.
Oh!
I know. So she might get you guys some more games or tell Santa. What'd you get? Okay. Who's next? Whose turn is it?
I don't need this.
Hey, no. Just leave it, set that down. Just set it with your thing. Okay. Remember, your butterfly's not all going to be the same colors. It'll be beautiful.
Show the camera.
Oh, no. Too full. You lose a turn. All right, Cameron's turn.
That's my turn.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
is Wednesday morning. I am getting some baking done. The kids.
Working.
Oh no!
Because this is not working. I'm pressing down and then.
Oh,
and it's
is the light off? Ta-da! So they're home sick again today. We had to go get a urine sample. I don't know any other way to say it. Dropped off for Eliana. She might have a UTI. She's been having very many signs and symptoms of that. So we had to go do that this morning. They're staying home from school. I'm still sick. This is going to give us hopefully one last day to get a little bit better. I have been working on cleaning up this kitchen. It's a little bit of a mess still. Like I said, I am about to get a whole bunch of baking done. And then I have this pile left to organize, but my counter, other than this, because I just pulled that out for like measuring cups and stuff, which I'm actually grabbing right now. Ta-da! So I need all my baking goods. Otherwise, things are finally coming together, and just you wait to see what's going to go in these. But yeah, so I have been working on the house the last few days, and there are some announcements to make, so stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm making this morning is a banana bread recipe that was my grandmother's. However, I also want to try another shot at this gluten-free bread. I've made it once before. It didn't come out very good, but I'm going to try it one more time because I have another one. Why not give it a whirl? And it calls for a full egg and 3 egg whites, while the banana bread calls for eggs as well. So I'm going to use the separated eggs, divide them according to this recipe, and then use what's taken out from this recipe to use for the banana breads. I have doubled the banana bread recipe. So by having 2 extra egg yolks and 2 less egg whites, it kind of evens everything out and it'll be okay. So sometimes being creative like that works in the kitchen. But all right, let's go ahead and get that part done. get the gluten-free bread to rise. I'm actually going to move it over onto this burner because this one was where the heat comes out from the oven, so we'll let that rise. And then I'm going to turn the muffins around in just over 5 minutes, and we'll see what they look like when they're done. Just pulled the muffins out of the oven. Oh my goodness, they look delicious. And the bread starting to rise a little bit. I'm excited. And it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. This has definitely risen. The muffins are done. It's time for that bad boy. Oh, I could have made 2 loaves. That's going to be amazing. For that bad boy to head right into the oven. So I realized I did not show you how the bread came out. It got a little squished. I pulled it out a little early. Apparently in my oven I need to adjust the cooking time, so it caved in on itself a little bit, and as soon as I saw that happening, I hurried up and put it back in the oven and finished baking. So it is now thoroughly baked, and I'm actually going to slice a piece. So let's go ahead and cut that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'll probably fry the slice, the buttered slice, in a pan, just to give it like that, just that sensation of fried bread. Like, if you've never done it before, you've got to try it. Let's do it together. With nice thick slices of bread, slather on some butter, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan. Even the end of the bread gets some love. Do you call it the butt, the end, the crust, the boot, the heel? What do you call the end of the bread? Super excited. Hey guys, so while the bread sizzles in the pan, let me show you. Oh my goodness, this is so much cleaner. Some of those marks just won't go away. It looks almost like they're rust. Sorry, it's not wanting to focus in here. I took out those rubber pieces down in the corners, gave them a really good clean. Let me pull that out. So it is... There's something green that's stained down there. I can't get that off. I scrubbed. And then back there looks like something that was just in the load. It looks like a piece of a label off of something. So I'll grab that out before I start the next load. But guys, it is amazing. Let me grab out the product that I used to clean it after I scrubbed it by hand. I got into all these little holes with toothpicks and picked out all the slime and grime and gunk. But I'll show you what I used and what I'm going to be using from now on. So after I scrubbed with Dawn dish soap and degreaser and all the things, I used this. This dishwasher cleaner was amazing. I just got it at Walmart. I ran this through, and then I've actually done 1 load since, but I ran this through and it was amazing. There was no weird smell coming from the dishwasher anymore. I highly recommend it, and the fact that you can just grab it right at Walmart is amazing. Most people have a Walmart near them. If you don't, go ahead and check in your dishwasher detergent aisle. I'm sure there's some sort of dishwasher cleaner available there for you. Just check to make sure that this will fall apart. And on them, I'm going to put some roasted pepper hummus. I have this left over from some vegetables I was eating the other day. So I'm going to dip these in here. And that's going to be a big snack. But I do need to eat. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, as you just saw. So let's have a snack.
most nicest in the world.
Got testers for my new custom scents coming soon. I'm excited. So pretty. So pretty.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the